Hey everybody, it's Chase here at Rocky Mountain. Thank you for stopping by. So today real quick, I just want to talk to you about the new Tusk First Line Foam Air Filter Oil. Now you might just be thinking, well Chase, it's just air filter oil. How cool can it be? And yes, it is a simple product, but you also have to remember that not all air filter oils are made the same. You know, we've tried a ton over the years, and some air filter oils are a little bit too thin and they don't really tack up as much. And then some are pretty thick where you get a pretty good coating on your air filter. You might feel like you're not getting the best airflow going through there. So we actually came up with our own formula trying to find the best balance, and we're really happy with this. So it tacks up nice, so you have good confidence that it's gonna trap that dust, that dirt, but it also still allows good airflow to get through your filter. And lastly, comes at a great price. So if you're shopping for some air filter oil, this stuff is awesome. Comes in aerosol can. You can buy a single, a 6-pack, or a 12-pack. And while you're picking up some of this, check out the other chemicals that Tusk does have to offer. We have this foam filter oil. We also have a contact cleaner. We have a gloss coat that's cherry scented. We even have a lens cleaner. So to shop all of them, click the link or head to RockyMountainATVMC.com. We ship for free over 75 bucks. If you want to stay up to date on products like this, get subscribed to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel. I'm Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.